Welcome back. In lesson 4.2, we built the detector, the gate that tells us which language the customer is using. Today, lesson 4.3, we wire each language to its own brain and its own knowledge. Pillar 3, native system prompts per language. Pillar 4, knowledge base shards per language. By the end of this video, when a customer asks a question in Swahili, the agent doesn't just respond in Swahili, it responds with the right Swahili tone using Swahili-native business facts retrieved from a Swahili-only knowledge shard. Let's wire it. Welcome to lesson 4.3, multilingual prompts plus knowledge base. After this lesson, you have 5 language-specific brains running on the same agent, same code, 5 distinct voices, 5 distinct knowledge bases, 5 distinct customer experiences. What we're building today: 4 moves. 1. Write a native system prompt for each of your 5 languages: French, English, Swahili, Arabic, Kirundi, not translated, written or reviewed by a native speaker. 2. Split your knowledge base into 5 shards, 1 per language. 3. At retrieval time, only pull chunks from the matching language shard. 4. Pass the matched prompt plus the matched chunks to Claude. The answer comes out native. 3 things before you start. 1. Lesson 4.2, Detector Live. You know which language is coming in. 2. Your vector database from Module 3 still running with namespace or metadata filter support. Pinecone, Superbase, PG Vector, Chroma. All 3 handle this. 3. At least 1 native speaker per language you ship, a customer, a friend, a freelance translator. Don't ship a language without a native reviewer. Step 1. Native system prompts per language. For each language, write a separate system prompt. Same agent personality and rules across all 5, but expressed natively. In French, your prompt teaches Claude the polite local idioms. In Swahili, it teaches the greeting structure. In Kirundi, it teaches the honorifics for elders. Pricing format, date format, complaint handling, all expressed the local way. Do not translate the English prompt with Claude. Write each one from scratch, or have a native rewrite it. Store them in your code as prompt_fr, prompt_en, prompt_sw, prompt_ar, prompt_rn. Step 2. Knowledge base shards per language. For each language, build a separate set of documents. Your FAQ in French, your FAQ in Swahili, your product specs in Arabic, each one written or reviewed by a native. Not auto-translated. Then for each shard, chunk into 500 token pieces. Embed with OpenAI text embedding 3 small or Voyage AI and store in your vector database under a per language namespace. In Pinecone, that's a namespace argument. In Superbase, a language metadata column you filter on. In Chroma, a separate collection per language. Step 3. Routing the detected language to the matched pipeline. When the detector from lesson 4.2 returns a language code, your router selects 2 things from a config map: the system prompt for that language, the vector namespace for that language. Both feed the next step. This is a 5-line function. The complexity stays low because the configuration is data, not code branches everywhere. Step 4. RAG within a language, the retrieval augmented generation pattern from lesson 3.3, but constrained. When you embed the customer's question and search the vector database, you scope the search to the matching language namespace only. Top 3 chunks from the Swahili shard, never from the French shard. Inject those chunks into the matched system prompt as context. Send to Claude. The answer comes back in the right language, with the right tone, citing your real native business data. Step 5. The quality loop. Ship 1 language at a time. Send the first 10 real customer questions to your native reviewer. Where does the agent sound off? Where does the tone drop? Where does it cite the wrong fact? Note each issue. Patch the system prompt. Patch the knowledge base. Retest. Once that language is solid, ship the next one. 5 languages over 5 weeks is faster and better than 5 languages in 1 week. All mediocre. Third, cost reality. Per language knowledge base embedding, about 20 cents to embed a 1000-page FAQ. Multiplied by 5 languages equals $1 one time. Native reviewers, budget $200 to $500 total to commission a quality pass per language, or 0 if you have native customers willing to help. Prompt maintenance ongoing but minor. Vector database storage. Same as Module 3, all 5 shards fit comfortably in the free tier under 10,000 chunks. Total marginal cost of going from 1 to 5 languages, under $300 one time. Recap: 5 native system prompts, 1 per language, 5 knowledge base shards, 1 per language. Router selects prompt plus namespace based on detected language. RAG scope to single language. Quality loop with native reviewer per language. 5 distinct customer experiences from the same agent. Lesson 4.4, the optional voice layer. 11 labs, voice cloning per language. So the agent doesn't just write native, it speaks native. See you there. That's lesson 4.3. Pillars 3 and 4 are now real code. Native prompts, native knowledge. The agent stops sounding like a translation app and starts sounding like 5 different in-country assistants, all running on the same stack. Lesson 4.4 is optional but powerful. Voice cloning per language. Before you go, like the video, comment which language you'll ship first, share with the partner who's helping you build. See you in lesson 4.4.